The most crucial advantages of high-pressure cleaning service. Pressure cleaning always enjoys a special stature in the cleaning industry. There are reasons behind it though. Pressure cleaning comes with some crucial advantages that are pretty hard to ignore. Here the advantages are. It ensures enhanced look and feel of the surfaces cleaned. It improves the longevity of the surfaces by manifold. It increases the resale value of the property. It is the most effective and faster cleaning procedure. It's a more effortless cleaning method. Thus you see, qualified high-pressure cleaning professionals will give you all these benefits. So if you are in Melbourne, Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne is the best name you can turn to. We have the best high-pressure cleaners in Melbourne. As we are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.